Hey there, all you aspiring content creators and filmmakers. If you want to take your videos to the next level and create amazing special effects, then this green screen suit is an absolute game changer for you. Whether you're filming a TikTok dance, a sci-fi film, or a cosplay video, this chroma key bodysuit is the key to unlocking your imagination and creating jaw-dropping visual effects. Made with high-quality stretchy material, this green screen suit fits like a second skin, allowing you to move and dance with ease while still maintaining a seamless, invisible backdrop for your videos. The vibrant green color is perfect for keying out and replacing with any background of your choice, giving you endless creative possibilities. Plus, the full body coverage ensures that every part of you is perfectly keyed out for a professional looking result. Think of all the incredible videos you could create with this green screen suit, from flying through space, to blending into your surroundings. The only limit is your creativity. With this suit, you can turn any location into a magical setting for your videos, and take your content to a whole new level of professionalism and entertainment. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your own green screen suit and start creating the videos of your dreams today. Don't miss out on this incredible tool that will revolutionize your content creation and take your videos to the next level. I can't wait to see all the amazing content you'll create with this green screen suit. Subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials on how to use this amazing product to elevate your video production game.